Now here's Mario and the chef with your Sunday brunch.
All right, time to hit the local farm and pick the peaches. Our favorite chef, Frank Trinov of Class Cooking, is here with. Good.
I thought you were going to say peachy keen or something.
Oh,
like that.
See, you're on top of it more than I am.
I'm catching on.
You are, yes.
Okay, this is just a peach tart. Killer peaches this year.
Yeah.
They're out in the local farms. These are beautiful. I mean, you want to try. This is a white one. You got to just taste one
I love
of
the
these.
white
These
ones,
are
yeah.
out of. These are like sugar. Wait till you taste them and tender. They're so really good. This is a basic. Okay, the biggest part of this one is actually making the crust. This is a very, very unforgiving dough to roll. So you got to make this dough. This is a heavy butter dough. A lot of lemon zest in here, so it's a nice lemon flavored dough. Press it in. You got to put it down a little piece at a time. You have to have a little patience and press it in. Now we have this is a really good peach jam that I bought, and you're going to spread this on the bottom. You can see it even has the lumps in it.
Yeah.
And then you start. Now I go flat to point, so I'll go flat to the end with the point to the front, and start working, doing a concentric circle all the way around. Now start putting the puzzle together. And then once you get all the way around, you're going to pop this in the oven. We're going to bake it at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. Then you're going to take it out. You're going to brush it again with the same jelly. And then we have a streusel coating, which goes on the top. And then you make sure you cool it. You can serve this with either ice cream, or you can use whipped cream.
Yeah.
This is really a taste. The peaches.
It's glistening.
Well, you know what's interesting about this, Amara? There's not one drop of sugar on the peach. What you're getting is the actual natural sugar from the peach. I mean, if you want to put sugar on it, it's kind of irrelevant, but very, very basic, very simple recipe.
This is very good.
Yeah, and the tart crust, that's a short dough.
The crust is really good.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing. It's almost like making a grinder. Sorry, the wrong area, but basically the bread is the carrier. In this case, it's the shell is the carrier. And you can see the ingredients, peaches. I didn't put anything else in here. No secret.
So easy. Oh,
Yep.
wow. What do we call it?
Fresh peach tart.
Must be on our website.
Turn10.com.
We'll see you next week.
And we'll be here. Don't forget your local farmers.